In this video, I'm giving you the truth about the 2-cup technique or 2-cup method, and if it is not working for you, where you are missing and what you need to do so that it will start working for you. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and grateful to all of you for being a part of our awesome tribe and showering all your love and support on all of us. And I'm so happy and excited to see so many of you are manifesting your desires, goals and dreams and sharing in the comment section. Now, all of you are aware that few months back I've shared a unique technique called the 2-cup method or 2-cup technique or quantum jumping or dimensional jumping. Now those of you who are not aware or who haven't watched that video, then I am sharing the link in the description section. You can go through the video and you can do it for yourself. While so many of you have implemented the technique and got tremendous result, got so many manifestation, had amazing outcomes, still some of you are not getting the result out of it and you keep asking like, AJ, why it's not working for me, or what is the process, or where am I going wrong? Now, first thing I want all of you to understand is the technique which is known as the 2-cup method or the 2-cup technique, or also people call it, or it is being named as the quantum jumping or the dimensional jumping. I made it very clear in the earlier video that the quantum jumping or the dimensional jumping, the name given by other people, but I see the technique in a very clear and simple way. This is the 2-cup method. It's just about using the power of water memory to reprogram the subconscious mind. Now, we don't call it the dimensional jumping because you cannot jump from dimension to dimension, right? So, but it will change your current state into a new state of manifestation, and that's how you program the subconscious mind using the water memory or the power of water that has been shared by Dr. Emoto Masaru, and many other experiment has been done, and I'm not going to the details. So in the 2-cup method, it is a very powerful method because when you set your intention in the water and you infuse that energy and then you drink it, it goes inside your body, and that memory in that water that get immersed in your body, and then all the water content in your body, all your cells that are carrying water within them, they get an influence, and that will help you reprogram the subconscious mind, and that's how you manifest it. So this is the simple concept, using the power of water, programming the subconscious mind and manifesting it. Now, many common questions that some of you are asking, like, is it just okay to do it for once and it will come true? If you are very positive and aligned and you do it with a lot of feelings, like I said, feeling is the secret, then even doing it once is enough, but it will come true in its own speed. But for most of you, if you are carrying resistance or doubt, then you have to do it regularly. For some time, you become absolutely confident about it. The another reason it is not working for many people, even if they are doing it, is because they are not able to feel it. When you take the second cup, where you write your desired manifestation, the state that you want to be, and when you hold that glass of water and you set that intention, but you are not able to feel it, then you are not able to infuse the energy in the water and it's not going to work for you. So again, like in the 5-5-5 technique, feeling is the key, or in every other technique, here is also the feeling is the key. So you have to feel it. If you are not feeling it, or while holding it you are having doubts, or you are having negative thoughts, or you are thinking that, oh, is it really come true or not, then please don't do it. Please don't do it with that, because you are unnecessarily infusing your doubts inside the water, and that is going inside your body, that is going inside your subconscious mind, and it will create more blocks for you. So if you are feeling doubtful, please don't do this technique. There are other techniques you can do. There are many other techniques I have shared which works beautifully even if you have doubts and anxiety or stress, but not this technique. So you have to do it with a very positive mind and feelings, and do it continuously. Now another thing, many of you are asking that is it fine if I do it with plastic glass, this glass, bottle instead of glasses, bottles and all. Absolutely fine, it doesn't matter what the container is. There are some favorable things I have shared in the earlier video, but still there is no restriction with the container. It could be a glass, cup, bottle, and everything is fine. But the key is to do it with positivity. Now, how to make it more effective? One of the best way is doing the 2-cup method along with the 5-5-5 technique. Yes, if you are not aware about the 5-5-5 technique, then I'm sharing the link in the description section and you can check that. But I have seen most of the people in our awesome tribe who have tremendous manifestation. One of the reasons they have done these two techniques together, 2-cup method and 5-5-5 together. And then because when you do both the technique and focus on positive feelings, your feelings go really higher and you feel really positive. So my friend, 2-cup method is a very powerful technique, but if it is not working for you or it wasn't working for you so far, then you were struggling with the feelings part, change that thing, understand it, give it a try again. But if you have too much of negativity, don't do it. You can do other technique like sleep technique or affirmations, visualizations, Tesla method, and there are many other methods. And best part is doing the affirmation and the meditation that I have given. Those of you who are not getting result or not getting comfortable with these techniques, the best part is you can join my program Make Your Life Awesome, where you learn other techniques step by step and you raise your power of manifestation. Or if you are carrying a lot of negativities or blockages in your heart and that is what driving you crazy, or every time you do some technique you feel negative or stressful, then you need to go through the Heal Your Heart meditation program, which will be really insightful, which will really remove all the negativities and help you manifest. So now it's your time to manifest your goals, desires and dreams. Go forward, do it, manifest it, because you have all the power. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If this video has cleared your doubts, then do let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, bell icon, and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach. Thank you.